Hello everyone! In my previous video we talked about auto communication and how it helps projects run smoothly. Today I want to share 5 common communication mistakes or anti-patterns that many technical people make. I'll show you what these mistakes look like and how you can easily avoid them. Before we continue, please help support this channel. If you find my content useful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps the community grow and lets YouTube know that this channel provides helpful information. I truly appreciate your help in sharing knowledge. The first mistake is contacting top managers or important stakeholders for every small issue. I know it feels quick and easy to go directly to someone at the top when you need something. But in large teams or companies, that creates problem. Top managers have many important things to do. They don't have time for every small task or question. If you always contact them first, soon they may stop replying. Instead, always find the right person who is directly responsible for your issue. The second mistake is sending messages only in group channels without saying anyone's name. As I explained in my previous video, when you send a question without mentioning anyone specific, no one thinks it's their job to answer. Everyone believes someone else will reply, and your request gets stuck. Always tag or clearly mention the right person in your messages. This simple action makes sure your request gets attention and fast answers. The third mistake is sending your message to many people at once, hoping at least one person replies. You might think, if I ask everyone, someone must answer. But this is usually seen as a spam. Soon, people may stop reading your messages or even block you. Again, always choose carefully who you send your message to. Find the right person or small group of people who really can help. The fourth mistake is keeping important discussion at a very low level without telling a manager or team leader. Many technical team members feel shy or unsure about speaking to their managers. Because of this, important questions or problems stay at a lower level, and nothing happens. It's important, very important to understand when to tell your manager or project leader about a problem. They have the power to solve things faster, and they know the best way to move the project forward. The fifth and final mistake is communication outside your own area of responsibility. Sometimes a developer or system administrator tries to speak directly to a senior manager or even to a client like a friend. While this can feel natural, it can cause confusion or misunderstanding. This happens because the developer may not have all the needed information or experience to discuss big-picture business topics. Misunderstanding here can even lead to losing a contract. So, please always respect the communication structure of your team or company. Now, let's put these tips in a real-world example. Imagine you are a DevOps engineer who needs special admin access for a service called Nexus, for example. First, check if there is already information from your project team or your team leader. Next, contact the correct person who clearly has responsibility. You can also use a Slack or another tool, but please remember to tag or mention the right person. If you still don't get help, don't wait too long. Quickly escalate or bring the problem to your manager. And finally, if it becomes area blocked, clearly report this issue to stakeholders. That way you show the client why the project might get delayed, and it protects your team from problems later. As you can see, good communication is not just a nice thing to have. It's very important for success. Understanding who to speak to, when, and how helps everyone work better together. It keeps project clear and easy for everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope this tips helps you avoid common communication mistakes and make your work easier and better. See you next time.